Step into the 2016 Buick Cascada Premium. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: navigation system, driver confidence package, 7 speakers, 7-speaker premium audio system feature, DVD audio, MP3 decoder, premium audio system, IntelliLink, radio data system, Sirius XM satellite radio and air conditioning. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.